Did you hear that? That's no coincidence. Yeah, we can go for it, Tim. Thank you.
Sound.
Speed.
Market.
Slate 21, take 1.
Such as in all of our shoots during the production of Let Me In, we were using RØDE mics to record quality sound. Under the time pressure of the shooting day, our main focus is to get clear dialogue, and we always trust our NTG2 boom to achieve that.
You don't define me!
Not just look at me so that you can draw me and pretend that you know everything about me, Will!
In the case of Let Me In, we've spent hours with sound design. Recording Foley and turning this into this.
I've been waiting for you.
Sound, in its subtle way, can completely change the picture by guiding your attention and setting the mood. And our RØDE mics are the greatest help to create that magic.